What's up, North? We're currently working on a new set, so bear with us. Did you know it's National Pierogi Day? They're one of my personal favorite snacks. Check out the description below for a delicious recipe. Here's what's going on at North this week.
The ACT will be given on Saturday, October 26th. Make sure you register for the test no later than September 20th. See Mr. Beckworth if you have any questions.
Swibis wants to give away t-shirts and they want students to design it. Show off your design skills and you might just win this competition. All submissions are due by October 16th. Flyers are available in homeroom. Now for some information on some exciting upcoming events.
Mr. Featherman will be in the cafeteria first 2 lunches Monday and Tuesday, and the last 2 lunches Wednesday and Thursday for students to pick up forms for the school-provided sports physical.
Don't forget to get those forms. And we're starting the food drive this year nice and early. Bring in canned foods and other non-perishable items from October 25th through November 22nd. Your homeroom could win a nice breakfast.
That's all for today's announcements. Now for sports.
Hi, I'm Travis, and this is your sports news for today. Last night, the Yankees beat the Twins by a final score of 5-1, advancing to the American League Championship Series. They await the ending of the Astros-Rays series for their opponent. On the National League side of things, both series will be going to a Game 5 following a Dodgers and Cardinals win. They will play tomorrow. The Browns imploded on Monday Night Football, losing to the 49ers 31-3. The 49ers jumped out to a quick 14-0 lead and never looked back. Steelers dropped a close one against the Ravens 26-23. Mason Rudolph knocked both out of the game and consciousness down the NFL protocol. The Jets lost against the Eagles and the Giants dropped the home game against the Vikings. Now back to you, Brendan Lewis.
Throughout history, many people have set out in search of the unknown. These people go by titles explorers, pioneers, travelers, and adventurers. Some of these people have made history and helped to lay out the foundation for the world we live in today. However, adventurer is a title that seems to get tossed around to anyone who goes on a walk in the woods nowadays. Which brings up the thought, how can Dora be an explorer if she only travels through mapped out territory? Thank you for tuning in to today's North Drive Live. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay wild, my T-Wolves. You did great.
You too.
Not talking to you.